Hello, my name is Lilian. Welcome to my channel. I have a thing that I'm going to regret posting this, but I feel like I owe you guys an explanation. So that's why I'm making this video. So in my last video, I told you guys I was going to start my freeform log journey. And that was on the 8th of September. Today is 12. That's 4 days later, and well, this is what my hair looks like. Obviously not my freeform locks that I started with. These are temporary locks. I have a tutorial on this on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to leave it in the cards and also in the description box. So if you guys want to see that, you can go and check it out. So it's been 2 years since I started making hair related content on social media. I started doing that at a very tough time in my life. I was going through a very difficult time, and I noticed that styling my hair helped me through, it helped me cope with whatever it was that I was going through. I might just be having a really bad day, maybe I'm crying, I'm really sad and everything, and as soon as I start styling my hair, I just feel a lot better. And so I was always styling my hair and doing so many things with my hair. And when I go out, or when I went out, people were always curious to know how I did my hairstyle. So I thought, since I'm always doing my hair anyways, why don't I share what I do with the world? And that was how I started YouTube, my blog, and my Instagram page. The way people reach for, I don't know, maybe people that are alcoholic reach for their alcohol, that's how I reach for my hair. My hair helps me cope, and I feel like that's not a big deal. So I'm not going to say I'm addicted to styling my hair, but my hair helps me, or has been helping me to cope with sadness. So that's why I'm always changing my hairstyles all the time, and that's why when people say that the trick to having the hair of your dreams is to leave your hair alone, I know that that's not going to work for me, because it's either I play in my hair and be happy, or I leave my hair alone and kill myself. Well, I'm exaggerating, but basically you guys have an idea of what I mean. A few months back, my hair stopped having the effects that it has on my emotion, on my mental health. Like, normally if I'm having a bad day and I just start doing my hair, I feel a lot better, but it stopped having that effect. Stopped being a good distraction from my sadness. So at first I didn't take it seriously. I thought maybe I was just bored of the hairstyles that I was doing. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you probably remember there was a time I put a poll on my Insta stories, and I was asking you guys to give me ideas of something new to do to my hair, because I was bored of the hairstyles I normally do. And I was contemplating straightening my hair, blow drying my hair, dyeing my hair, locking my hair, stuff like that. And I ended up doing temporary locks. That was how I started doing temporary locks back then. But it still did not stop. My hair just stopped being a good distraction. And now, even if I'm sad, like when I get those my sad episodes, I start doing my hair, like it doesn't change. Like sometimes it even makes it worse. And I really do not know if it has to do with the fact that maybe my page, or like making videos and everything, has become sort of work. Kind of, I don't know, maybe that's why it now has that effect, or I don't know. So that was how I came up with the idea of locking my hair. I thought maybe I needed something more exciting, to do something more exciting with my hair. And I was thinking, I thought, okay, maybe to lock my hair permanently was going to solve the problem. And that was why I decided to lock my hair. And you remember in my last video when I talked about, it was like a sudden decision for me to lock my hair. And so I thought locking my hair was going to solve the problem, It was going to bring back the excitement and the joy that I got from doing my hair. And I loved my hair, and it was actually exciting because it was quite scary. Like, I had no idea what my hair was going to turn out to be like. So that was why I decided to freeform, like I said in my last video. And for the first day, it was very exciting. The next day, it was also very exciting. But after those 2 days, like, the excitement just disappeared, just vanished, and I was back to where I started. And that was when I realized that maybe I'm depressed. maybe because I went on YouTube, I went online basically to like browse and see what could be wrong with me, and the only thing I could come up with was depression. Maybe I'm depressed, because one of the symptoms or one of the signs of depression is when you no longer get pleasure from things that used to be very pleasurable for you. That's one of the signs that you're depressed. I'm thinking, well, maybe I'm depressed. So after 2 days, I decided to, because since the Freeform lock wasn't helping, there was no need locking my hair, because I knew that when I got over this phase, I was going to regret it. So I decided to unlock my hair. My hair was already matted and tangled after 2 days. So on the third day, I decided to just unlock my hair. So I detangled my hair. I didn't actually comb it because I didn't have the strength. So I fingered detangled the knots and tangles out of my hair, and then I installed these temporary locks. I know some of you will be disappointed in me because I got so much love from announcing that I was going to lock my hair, and well, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to tell you guys, but I'm no longer locking my hair, at least for now. And I also feel like I was locking my hair for the wrong reasons. Most people lock their hair for reasonable reasons. Like, even though I said I was tired of doing my hair, but when I dug deep, I realized that I wasn't really tired of doing my hair. I was just depressed. So now I'm going to try to sort that out, sort the depression out, and yeah, we'll see if after this phase is over, maybe if I still want to lock my hair, then I'm going to lock it. But for now, I'm just going to continue to wear my hair in temporary locks whenever I don't want to handle my hair, like, and then when I feel like handling my hair, I'll bring it out of the temporary locks and do my curls and my buns and all those things that I normally do. So I feel like right now I'm just going to be going back and forth with my posts. Maybe one day I'm going to be like, hey, I'm locking my hair, and the next day I'm like, I'm not locking it anymore. I feel like you guys will never take me seriously again. Well, yeah, so that's all I wanted to say. And I'm not saying this because I want anyone to feel pity for me, or because that's the reason why I was thinking about not making this post. And I don't even know if I'm going to post it, because some people come and start, oh, love and light, we wish you all the best, and please don't send me love messages. I'm just announcing and explaining why, in case you see a picture of me on Instagram, or I make a hair related video, you guys know, like, I thought you said you were going to look at hair, like, how come you're no longer looking at hair? I feel like I owe you guys an explanation, because I made my intention to look my hair public. So that's why I'm making this video. I know I'm going to be fine eventually, so it's not like I'm suicidal or I'm going to kill myself or anything like that. But yeah. So thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.